BART train to a tour bus. Still the same game except I'm pulling more sluts, more butts, more bucks, never giving more fucks. Did it my way, I'm never taking shortcuts. Raised in a town like fool, who put you up on, huh? E40 Mac Dre's who I grew up on. I've been selling game, got you if you need a cue up on. You can check my resume, see every beat I throw up on. Smoking on grapes, rolling up swishers, no papes. Back of the ghost, closed drapes, I'm a boss tycoon. Girls in the crowd all swoon, super high, mom.
Hello guys, it's an unboxing of Royal helmets. It's an Indian brand. It gives a good quality at a cheap cost. As you guys can see, it is a great quality. Further shots are coming up. Got it, got it.
Get some calls. I said I'm moving too far. Get some calls. What you came to do? What's that feeling? I can just roll up, cause I'm swole up. So that birthday cake get the Cobra. Bugatti for real, I'm Cobra. The autobiography rover. Got the key to my city, it's over. So top only in the color covers. I said rockets, ratchets, hold up. I said rockets, ratchets, hold up. I know you came here to see. If you a freak, then you come on with me. And I know what you came here to do. Now bust it open, let me see you get loose. Yeah, I'm putting on them things. And I know what you came here to do. You must not open and see it.
I'll show you guys the interiors of the helmets and the outlooks and the graphics. See it well. Okay guys. As you guys can see the graphics, it has the 46 graphics of the AZV from the row C46. It's a GPR copy from Royal Helmets. It's an Indian brand. It has great superb quality with low price tag. I love this one. I hope you guys love too. I'll show you guys the interiors of the helmets. As you guys can see, it comes with a clear visor. Only one clear visor and one duo visor, the smoke one. I have ordered the smoke one, but it will come soon. I'll make video of that one too. As you guys can see it from every angle, it's looking fabulous, great, superb. Even it will look great on the bike. As you guys might know, I don't have a bike right now. As you guys can see the interior of it, it doesn't have a double lock system, but it is great. It is safety. It doesn't get out too much easier. It has a good foam under it. It's an XL size, so it's a bigger one. As you guys can see, it's not the biggest, but it's XL, so it's a big one, but not the biggest. Its foam quality is even good in this cheap cost. Okay, I'll show you guys the interior of this helmet. As you guys can see, there are air vents, 2 air vents here, 2 here, here are 2, and 2 on the back. That's a spoiler that makes the helmet looks fabulous, great and dope. It has a dual visor, one clear one, another one is the smoke one, small visor. It's hard to open, but it's easy when you learn it. And it has a great safety measures, but I'll show you guys how is it. Come closer, cameraman. As you guys can see the interior of it, here are the interiors. It has a great superb foam quality on it. As you guys can see the safety lock of it. It's not a double fin, but it's okay. It has a great tight grip on it. It won't slip even in the hardest time. And saying all of this, I'm going to right here. It's a wrap for this helmet. And I'd like to say you guys to please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share as much as you can if you loved it. And if you didn't, then you can even dislike it and comment down the improvements that we have to do. Thanks a lot for watching. Goodbye. Finally, we did it. We did it. We did it, guys.
Rock on, guys.
Rock on. Like the video, subscribe to the channel.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys.
Share if you loved it.
Namaste.
Jai
Jai
Nepal.
Nepal.
There it is. And a spoiler. And a great design that you guys will love. Now that's it for this helmet video. As you guys might know, here we are.
Patringa Dick.
Here we are on Patringa.
Yo, अहिले यो सर्ट नलिनु